thank Papa God, we don't allow us see another day, like this. So today, the matter when I go they talk, the matter when they affect everybody, our eye don't pee for wetin we don't see. Now this fuel matter, where would they go for our country, Nigeria? Country when they get all year like this, see the way the people they suffer. If they go tell me say time go come for this country, when we go they buy fuel 1,000, 1,200 a liter, I no go ever believe. We dey buy at 650, we dey complain too high. We sleep wake up and we see fuel don enter 1,000, 1,000. I want to tell people say now our highest denomination now until they buy 1 liter of fuel. They suffer too much. Because if you look the story, this fuel they tied to everything we could do for this our country. Now food when they bring. Now anything at all for a day. Make we dey realistic to ourselves now. Make they feel let the poor breathe. Everything make they give us now. Citizens they carry all the body. Which one government they help us they carry? Make government see do some. Maybe see that they'll say carry. Now we they pack everything. This fuel issue now go affect businesses. All those small business will be like they get patronage now from outside their state now. Imagine now say you dey somewhere like Edo State now, or you get business for Abuja now, and person Delta State for instance, they deliver and go Delta State. You don't know how much go be delivery fee. You will be say be the buyer sef. When you go even for the delivery fee, you're weak. You just say, madam, I beg, I know the buy, I'm gonna chill out. I go find where buyer for my side for here, if at all. They keep businesses, things they go on. Even people when they drive all those buses, when they drive along, all of them don't park their motor. Mostly the ones when they do balance and carry. Now the ones who even get their own bus by themselves. Now everybody they go enter gas. They won't go change their motor to gas, CNG. Before you know that one they'll see increase. Those days that time almost for that CNG, 25 naira a liter and they buy am. No, I don't enter 200 or something. No be small you go take the ride before you know go see cost the 1,000. Where will they go for this country? See dollar, they know they talk that one. See pound, see euro, they know they talk am. Everything they go up. And now we be the citizens, now we they chest everything. Which one government they help us they chest? How as a nation, Nigeria, we they call ourselves the giant of Africa. Citizens no fit chop 3 square meal. Even 1 square meal na don't problem. Where we take it around. Now renew hope they promise us. But this one the hope no be renew. The situation they hopeless. When you go sleep, wake up, say to even ginger yourself, come down for your bed, make you take good find your daily 2K. It would even hard you. Even the daily 2K, the transport fare will first chop and before you go even get daily 2K. People they trek now, they go work because people don't feel afford transport fare. Imagine normally transport me they use 200 naira a day before. You go they get 1,000. But if they pay me about the increment with the experience for this administration and say in the increment don't be like with 100 naira, with 50 naira, with 200. You go just see something could you increase with like 10,000, 5,000. What did they happen? Where will they go? We don't go fit continue to live life like this now. People they suffer. Seriously. See the period now when we did na school fees period. Some parents just did not fit afford school fees. Nobody don't chop go school. And a new class all of the enter, you go buy new uniform, you go buy new book, you go buy new this one, new that one. How they want to see money to buy am? People they work, salary that still the same. Okay, they don't increase minimum wage now, they don't make a 70,000. But they don't drain and come up for everybody body now. For now 1,000 for some place, 1,200 for some place. How you want to cope if for this time now you be bricklayer, you be tailor, you be barber? Hey, how you want to do business? You go buy for 1,000. How much you won't come? How much? That 1,000 naira for when you see buy and before when you see they'll see tie their nozzle, they go tie nozzle. When you go see buy 1,000 naira for at the end of the day will be like now 1,500 a liter you buy. How you want to bring that money come out for your if you be tailor, if you be barber, and every other people when they use for how you want to bring and come out? Everything I see the citizens in here they go come out. Businesses they close down. People they close down businesses because they not fit cope again. This one are the highest. People they suffer full aside. People no fit eat. People no fit chop. No be talk of see they won't buy fish or they won't buy meat put for the food. I did with one woman the other day. Even the woman they gist me story. I almost shared for our nation, Nigeria. The woman say na every 2:00. Every day she and her children to the shop at the business on the day period so. Every 2:00. When I say 2:00, I actually they do one. Once 2:00 reach like this, they will start. Once 1:00 reach, they'll start to the cook. Latest 2:30, it go done. It go ready. When it ready, they go cook. They will eat together. when they eat together, they wash plates, they go deal till the next day again. That one on life. That one don't be life now. How we go dey live with all the things when God don't bless us with for this country? How we go dey live like beggars for our own nation again? I don't understand. The politicians no even dey help matters at all. You no get the problem when we see they say me their chest. With all the suffer me dey outside. See the way our politicians they live lavishly. Suffer there outside. With citizens they buy for 1,000, 1,200. President they buy private jet. That's not supposed to be the issue. That's not supposed to be waiting they worry our president now. Think about the citizens. Think about what they pass through. It's when this administration come and just suffer with your day. You know, even if they do things the way they do them before. When our government see hear us, when our government see help us out. Because this one not too much. Because you don't get motivation when you want to motivate people this period. Everybody they down. Everybody dey down. Na so we want to live like. Make una do something about the situation. No. Nigeria no fit continue like this. Nigerians no fit continue like this. My people, una do.